Welcome to BTFL. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm about to do a resistance band review. Alright, just got this like a week ago. I'm officially about to open this right now. Now, this is from a company called, I don't even know how to say this name. Is it HPYGN? I don't know. HPYGN. I don't know, whatever. Anyway, I got this on Amazon. Obviously, I'll put a link below if you want to check these out once you finish this video. When I got this, it was like $23 for this whole resistance band kit. All right, so I'm gonna open it up, let you know what I get. You see, it's still in the plastic. You know what I mean? So, let you know, how is this stuff? First of all, I love resistance bands. All right, I got several in the basement. So this, I don't have this brand though, so you don't know nothing about resistance bands. This is a great way to get some workouts, especially if you like, you know, if you do any traveling or anything, you could just take this. So anyway, here's the bands. Let me show you what this come with, what you get for $23. All right, so all right, there goes Sonny. What's up? What up, dog? Alright, so you got look like five bands or 5 tubes, whatever you want to call it. Nah, it's a 4. Nah, my bad. Okay, that's 4. Alright, so you see here, got the little clip things. It's kind of like the plastic clip things. Usually the ones I got like the metal to it, so we'll see how that works. But if you see here, all right, boom. Other end, it's the same thing, but this side they actually show you the weights, the resistance weights on this side of it, right? So looks like 20, 30, 40, 50 pounds with these. All right, so what else we got? Oh, this is cool. Got a nice little exercise chart that come with it. I like these because sometimes you need some ideas. I can't even open it. Oh, here we go. Open it from the top. Yeah, where's my dog? All right, so you got a nice little exercise chart from, how you say this? HPYGN? HPYGN? I don't know. All right, so let me check this out. Obviously, you could put this up and then, you know, hang this up somewhere. I got a ton of different exercises you can do. Let me show you. Bang, bang, bang. So that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. What else we got? This is one of the reasons why I got this. You got the well, obviously you need the handle. Maybe I should have pre-opened this stuff. All right, you got a door stopper right here. I'm curious to use this. All right. Then you got ankle straps. So we're gonna go over all this stuff in a second. Then we got the handles right here. Right, see these? Very, very light. Now I do got several. I got like 2 or 3 different kind of handles in the basement. I don't know if I like these or not. I do got some in the basement. I got from my girl. I love hers. Then the ones I normally use, they are aight. These, I don't know. We're about to find out. All right, so you got everything. So now I'm gonna demonstrate some exercises, you know, actually using these bands, because these definitely feel different. The whole package feels different than the bands I got right now. So, all right, guys, got everything set up here. Got my handles. So, just for sake of dropping shit, all right. Just for sake, I'm gonna start with the 20-pound tube. This, like I said, it's like the little plastic little hook things, but the actual handles got the little
metal circles at the end. Sometimes they make them opposite. Sometimes the handles actually have the hook thing, and these actually, the tubes have the circles. So it just depends on which ones you get. But this particular model is set up like this. All right, so I'm gonna just clip this in real quick. Boom, one side, and then put the other side in. Just see how this feels. I ain't gonna lie, this do feel very, I don't wanna say cheap, but it just feels like, I don't know. We get into it. All right, so just we'll start with just some curls. Just see how this feel. Nice. I mean, it's smooth. That's just a 20 pounds. So what you can even do is what most people do, but just getting started out with resistance bands, you want to, you know, start slow, get used to the movement, get used to the feel, get used to the resistance, and then what most people do, they always just add on, you know, you could always add bands to the actual, you know, the handles, right? So just like that, just added the 10 pounds. So see how these feel. At that point, do a little curl action, in tight. Okay, boom. Alright. Alright, not too bad, not too bad. Alright, so let me do another motion, something that I would do with these. So another thing you can do is like step on the center and then go up, see like a pressing motion. Alright, that ain't bad, that ain't bad. Yeah, they feel okay, they feel alright. I don't know, maybe I'm just used to the ones I got. Maybe they need to be broken in. They just feel like, I don't know, I just feel like in time, I don't know how long these will last, alright, but I will do an update. But let's go into the door hinge and let's see how I like that, alright. Alright guys, you see I got the door anchor set up. I added a band to it. But keep in mind, with this one, you want to set up your anchor where the door closes towards you, right? So that way when you're pulling, you're actually closing the door even tighter. I got this in the opposite way, so you probably shouldn't have it like this, the way I have it, but it's just the way the door is set up. But we're going to use it anyway, alright? So I added some bands to it. I got the anchor set up, so I'm just going to try some, just some simple rows. So here, see, I scared me with that here now. I just having it like this, I do feel like the door might open, which is kind of scary. I don't know if you can see me in here or not. Right? So, but this first time I'm using the door anchor, and it's not bad, right? So, alright, it's cool. Boom. Nice. I like it, I like it. Got my dog in here, about to hit a couple reps. Another thing you could do with these, which I love doing for the arms, I don't know if you can see this or not. So, do these curls. I do these in the basement all the time, but you here and you just curl. These definitely feel super weird doing this with the door ankle. And like I say, I got this paranoia of the door flying open, but even if it did, I don't think that would happen. Boom. Boom. Right? So, you can see what I'm saying right now when I open this door. See how I got this door set up? When I open it, see how I open it? Boom. So I had that fear, bye Sunny. I had this fear of this door flying open, right? This is why you should have it, if your door closes to you, you can have it, you know, set up the other way. But obviously you see it still works, but I just had that paranoia of the door flying open, but it's all good. So these do not feel bad at all with the door anchor. So let me try. You know what I mean? So Same thing. I'm definitely scared that this thing gonna come down, but maybe it won't. So same concept. You could do some pulls, right? Boom, 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 boom. Alright. Alright, hooking these little ankle strap things up. So here, and then this one over here. Now, I never did this before, obviously, because I'm using the door anchor. But I know you could do this with different like if you got workout equipment, you can attach your bands. Just make sure they got a stable place where, you know, it won't pull nothing. But so this is cool right here. I like this. Right? Get a little resistance. See if you can go. You can even do shit on my shirt. Anyway, so you can do some other side like this. Obviously, I would use a higher resistance band for these type of exercises, but you can see how this will work.
Alright, so that was me actually using the bands. And my overall take on the, however you say it, HPYGN resistance bands, I think they're good, right? But just maybe because like I said, I think maybe they need to be broken in a little bit. They do feel like super, I don't want to say the word cheap, because they do work, and I know they're new, but I am curious to see how long these last, because I have broken several resistance bands with my other ones who felt a little more sturdier than these, right? So I am curious to see how long these will last, because I will use these. Like, I use resistance bands at least 3-4 times a week. I incorporate them in my workouts. So I definitely will do a follow-up video to let you know how long these last, whatever. But like I said, they're good. And for $23, you know, it's definitely worth it, because you see what you can do, and you can do tons. You see the workout chart. I mean, it's tons of exercises you can do with these. I like the door anchor. You know, keep in mind, like what I said about having it where the door comes to you. I think you'll feel more comfortable, you know, doing the pulling motions. So you could do a lot with these. So if you're in a situation where you got like a home office, or you even got a job where you can take these bands, or if you do any traveling, I definitely recommend getting resistance bands. And these will work for you, because you can get a good workout with resistance bands, really any resistance bands. My whole thing is with resistance bands is, how do they feel? How do the actual bands, you know, the quality of the bands, that's what really counts to me. And make sure they last a long time. That's what I really focus on. But overall, for $23, definitely worth a shot. But I will do some exercise videos with these bands, so just stay tuned to that. All right, so once again, if you want to check these bands out for yourself, I'll put a link below, and you can let me know what you think.